Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving deep into what is seriously shaping up to be the biggest tech trend of the next few years, AI agents. We're going to break down exactly what they are, and more importantly, show you how you can start using them right now to automate your work. And the best part, no coding required. Let's get into it. So let me ask you something. Are you just buried in those small, tedious, mind-numbing tasks every day? You know, the constant copy-pasting, the data entry, jumping between 10 different apps just to get one simple thing done? It is such a massive drain on your time and your energy, and it keeps you from focusing on the work that actually matters. Well, you are definitely not alone in feeling that way. And that's exactly why AI-powered automation is projected to be the #1 tech trend for 2026. And look, we're not talking about some far-off sci-fi concept or factory robots. We're talking about tools that empower you to get rid of your own digital busywork once and for all. Okay, so here's the game plan for today. We're going to start with the no-code automation boom to really get why this is all happening right now. Then we'll introduce you to your very first AI agents. After that, we'll actually build a simple workflow together. And finally, we'll help you figure out which tool is the right one for you to start with. First up, let's talk about the no-code automation boom. This is the big shift, the fundamental reason why all of this powerful AI technology is suddenly available to everyone, not just people who know how to code. The problem is something we all know way too well. We have all this amazing software at our fingertips, but we end up becoming the human glue, you know? We're the ones manually connecting everything, and that just creates these frustrating bottlenecks and eats up our most valuable resource, our time. And this is where no-code tools completely change the game. They give you a visual, kind of like a drag-and-drop way to connect your apps and build these automations. Basically, they let you tell computers what to do without writing a single line of code. It's a huge, huge leap forward in making technology work for everybody. All right, now let's get to the really good stuff. It's time to meet your new digital assistants, your first AI agents. So what in the world is an AI agent, really? Well, think of it like this. It's a smart program that you can just talk to in plain English. You tell it what you want done, and it goes and does it across all your different apps. The best analogy? It's like having a super smart intern who never gets tired, never makes a typo, and can work with all of your software at the same time. First step, let's talk about Zapier Agents. Now, you might already know Zapier. They're famous for their automation tools. Their superpower is this massive library of over 6,000 app integrations. So their agents make it incredibly simple to set up workflows like, hey, when I get an email with an invoice attached, automatically save that file into my Google Drive. Simple, right? Okay, next up we have Botpress. Now, if Zapier is all about connecting apps in a straight line, A, then B, then C, Botpress is all about conversation. It's specifically designed for building smart chatbots and assistants that can understand really complex questions, ask clarifying questions back, and handle dynamic, interactive jobs. All right, theory is great, but let's actually see this in action. It's time to get our hands a little dirty. In this section, we're going to walk through building a super simple workflow, just so you can see how easy this really is. You know, pretty much every AI agent workflow boils down to these 3 simple steps. Let's imagine a real-world scenario. First, the trigger. That's what kicks things off. Let's say a new lead fills out a contact form on your website. Boom, that's the trigger. Then comes the instruction. You just tell the agent what to do in plain English. Something like, take the info from this form, find that person on LinkedIn, and then draft a personalized outreach email for me. And finally, the action. That's the result. The agent creates that perfect email and saves it right in your drafts folder, all ready for you to review and hit send. See? Trigger, instruction, action. It really is that straightforward. Okay, so now that you get the basics, the big question is, where do you start? In this last section, we're going to put Zapier Agents and Botpress side by side to help you figure out which one is the right choice for what you need to do. Let's just break this down. It's actually pretty simple. If your main goal is to connect your different web apps and automate those linear, step-by-step tasks, like that email to spreadsheet example, Zapier is absolutely the way to go. It is super beginner-friendly. But if you need to build something that can actually have a conversation with a user, like a customer service bot, then Botpress is the more powerful choice. Yeah, it has a bit more of a learning curve for the advanced stuff, but the best news? Both of them have free tiers, so you can just jump in and start playing around without spending a dime. Okay, let's quickly tackle the 3 questions we always hear. Number 1, do you need to know how to code? big, emphatic no. That's the whole point. Number 2, can you really set this up yourself? Yes, absolutely. The entire process is designed for people who aren't tech wizards. And number 3, is it expensive? Nope. Like we just said, both platforms have free options, so you can start building today.
So here's the key takeaway from all of this. The power to automate the tedious, boring parts of your job is officially in your hands now. It's accessible, it's powerful, and it's as simple as just giving instructions in plain English. And this isn't just about saving a few minutes here and there. It's about unlocking your own creativity to solve your own problems. So really, the only question left is the one you see right here. Your first AI agent is ready to be built. What are you going to automate first?